Right, so we have a task to do today and we're going to draw a histogram with this data that we have here. So in an exam you might get given a table like this. So I've just made this. So on this side we have the duration in hours, and here we have the frequency, so the number of people that we recorded in each class. Okay, so 0 to 0.5 hours we had 10 people, 0.5 to 1 hour we had 12 people, and so on. So in order to draw a histogram, what you need is this thing called a frequency density column, okay? Because this is going to be the height of the bars that you're going to draw, okay? In order to work out the frequency density, we do the frequency divided by the width of this class, the class width. So this one here is going to be 10 divided by a half, because between 0 and 0.5 is a half. So 10 divided by 0.5 is 20. This one is going to be 12 divided by a half, because between 0.5 and 1 is a half. So that's going to be 24. This one is 14 divided by a half again, which is the size of the class width. That's 28. This one is going to be 9 divided by 1.5, which if you do on your calculator you'll find is 6. And this one is 6 divided by 2, because the difference between 3 and 5 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And this column here is going to be the height of each of the bars that you're going to draw on this histogram. So this one here, 0 to 0.5, the frequency was 10, the frequency density is 20. So as you can see, 0 here to 0.5, the height of that bar is 20, okay? And actually the frequency, this 10 is the area of the bar. So if you have a look at this, 20 is the height of the bar, the length of the bar, and 0.5 is the width of the bar. 20 times 0.5 equals 10. So the area of this bar, is 10. Okay, just like this column, and you'll find that the same for this one. So like 24 times 0.5 is 12. This one, 28 times 0.5 is 14. And as you can see, this matches up with this column here. Okay, now this column here, we have 1.5 to 3. So that's this class here, 1.5 to 3. We had 9 as the frequency and 6 as the frequency density. And that's why the height of this bar is 6, as you can see here. But we're going to draw a wider bar this time, because the class width is wider, 1.5 to 3. There's 1.5 between the two, the start and the end of that class. So I hope you understand this. If you don't understand it, then just leave something in the comments for me and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thank you.